Welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about SINE law, which is under trigonometry. We are going to understand what SINE law is, how to apply SINE law in an exam. So even as we start this, I want you to follow me properly and attentively. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to comment. So when do we apply the SINE law? Or how can you know that in this question you are supposed to use the SINE law? So we apply the SINE law when we are given these things. The first one is that when you are having two sides and one angle. The second one is when you are having two angles and one side, like this. So the way I've written this is also another way in which you need to interpret this. So have you seen these two sides are not putting the angle in the middle, which means this can be like this. It can be in this format where you've got something like this. If this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. So you've got two sides. You can have 6 meters this side. You can have 5 meters this side, then an angle this side, which is 60 degrees like this. Any triangle that will look like this, have you seen these two sides are not putting the angle which is given in the middle. So any question that will come like this, you are supposed to use the SINE law. What if you are given two angles? So in a case where you are given two angles, a question can be like this. You are given this is 30, you are given 30, you are given that one as 85, then you are given a side here which is 40 meters. If this is B, this is C, this is D, like this. So questions that will come in this manner, just know that you are talking about the SINE law and you are supposed to use the SINE law to solve them. In this case, you are given two sides and one angle. And where you are given two angles and one side. So in this case, where you are given two angles, it is just the same as you are given 3 angles, because it is very easy to find the angle which is there. It is very easy. So a question that will come in this way, you'll be told to find a question that has come in this, you'll be told to find an angle. So any question under SINE law where you are given two sides and one angle, you'll be told to find the angle that is there. You can be told to find the angle that is there. You can be told to find the angle that is here. But to find the angle that is here, first you need to find the angle that is there. After you find the angle that is there, that's when you can add these two and subtract from 180. So let's say you are told to find the angle that is here. How can you find the angle that is here? First of all, find the angle that is there. So how do you do if you want to find the angle that is there? So we use these triangles that I've written here. Let's say in this question, you are told to find BCA. So you are told to find angle C. So angle C cannot be found direct because here we don't know the angle here. We don't know the side that is there. You know that under the SINE law, the formula that we get to use is like this, where you say side, in this case we've got this side. Have you seen? Side is AC. You say AC over sine what? AC is opposite to which angle? This is AC. Opposite to what? Opposite to B. So you put sine B, which is equal to, you look for something that is having a side but don't have an angle, or it is having an angle but doesn't have a side. This one, we are having a side but no angle is given there. So you use BC over sine what? Sine A. So this is the formula that you are going to use. So I've told you that first we need to find the angle that is there. After we find the angle that is there, that's when we'll be able to find the angle that is here. Because things will be very simple. We know that angles inside the triangle adds up to 180. So this is what we are going to do. So you substitute. What is AC? AC is 6. So you put your 6 there. You say 6 over sine B. What is your B? 60, which is equal to BC. What is your BC? What is your BC? 5. Then sine A is the one that you want to find, so you don't know. You cross multiply. Here you cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, you're going to have 6 sine A is equal to 5 sine 60, like this. Where you say 6 sine A is equal to, what is 5 sine 60? 5 sine 60. It is what? It is 4.330170. Just going. It is just going. Then you divide by 6. You also divide by 6 this side. 6 cancelled. You remain with sine A is equal to, what is that number divided by 6? What are you going to get? You're going to get 0.721687836, like that. So you are not told to find sine A. You want to find A. So this sign will go to the other side of the equation. So when it goes to the other side of the equation, you're going to have A is equal to sine inverse of what? 0.721687836, like that. This is what you are going to have. Here you say A is equal to what? So when sine goes this side, it becomes inverse. How do you punch this on your calculator? You just say shift, then sine. Inverse comes, then you say equals. What is the answer? What answer are you getting? What answer are we getting there? What answer are we getting? So what is our answer? Our answer is 46.194000773, like this. So you know that finally the angle that is there, it is just what? 46 degrees. So A is equal to what? 46 degrees. So we found our A to be 46. You go back to your question. So we know that there we've got what? We've got 46 degrees. That's our 46 degrees. So just to lab this, which I was doing. So I know now that A is what? 46. So I know that I want to find the C. C is equal to what? C is equal to what? So you know that the angles inside the triangle adds up to 180. You are going to say that 180 minus what? When you add this to 60 plus 46, you do this. So you say 180 is equal to, what is 46? You say 46 plus 60. What answer are you getting? You're getting 106. So when you subtract there, what answer are you going to get? You're going to get 74 degrees. So meaning the answer there is what? 74 degrees. That's how you need to answer it. Have you seen the way I've answered? Those are the procedures that you need to do whenever you want to answer such a question. Hope you've learned something. You are able to answer a question that may come in your exams related to the sine law. A question also can come in this way. A question can come in this way. So let us solve this question. Let's say you are given all the what? The angles. It is very possible to find the angle that is there, because we know that angles inside the triangle adds up to 180, like the way I did here. So you just say 180 minus, we want to find the angle that is there, minus 30 plus 85. You add those. You say 180 minus what? You say, what is 30 plus 85? What answer are you getting? You're getting 115. So 180 minus 115, what answer are you getting? 65. meaning the angle that is there is what? 65. Then you are told, in this case, we are told to find CD. Let's say you are told to find CD. You are told to find CD. So how can you answer that? You follow the same formula that I did at first, the same formula that you need to do. You say you are told to find CD. This is CD. So you say CD over sine what? Opposite. It is opposite to that, which is B, is equal to. You look for something that is having a side and its own angle. So this one is having a side. The angle is there. So it is what? BD. BD over sine what? Over sine what? Sine C. Like that. Then we substitute. CD is what we were told to find. Over sine. What is B? Your B is 85, which is equal to. What is BD? BD is 40 over sine. What is sine C? Sine C. C is 30. You do this. Where you are going to say that here you cross multiply. You say CD, the one you want to find, times sine 30, which is equal to. Here I'm going to multiply direct. I'm going to say 40 sine 85. 40 sine 85. What am I getting? I'm getting 39.84778,792. This is what I'm getting. You divide both sides by sine 30. You also divide both sides by sine 30 like this. This is what you need to do. So this cancelled. You remain with CD is equal to the same answer divided by sine 30. What answer are we getting? What answer are we having? 79.6955785. So you can put this answer to two decimal places where you say CD is finally equal to 79.70. You put meters. This is your answer. This is how we need to find. So I've taught you how to find the angle and how to find a side. This is how you need to do it. These are procedures that you need to take. So just to summarize things now, so we've answered CD is 79.70 meters. This is how we get to round off. Maybe someone is behind on rounding off 2. 1, 2. You go here. This one is 5. So when you put a 1 here, this one becomes 10. So it put also another one there, which is 7. Then this line becomes a 0. Like this. This is how we need to do it. So these are steps that you need to take. These are steps that you need to undertake. So to summarize things from what we've covered so far, I've told you that when do we use the sine law? Let's conclude this. When you are given two sides and one angle, you need to make sure that the two sides are not putting the angle in the middle. When you've got something like this, where you're given this one 60 degrees, then here you're given 6 meters, here you're given 5 meters. Have you seen? These two sides are putting this angle in the middle, which is given. Then this is not sine law. It is another law which we call the sine law. So this is not what? Not sine law. This is what you need to get. Get that one. When you are given the two sides and the two sides are not putting the angle given in the middle. Next, we said that when we are given two angles and just a side outside, that's when we get to use the sine law. So these are methods, these are ways. When it comes like this, you'll be told to find the angle. When it comes like this, you'll be told to find a side. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're looking for tuitions In mathematics, chemistry, physics, you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. I'll be able to help you out. 0971 066747. Thank you so much, and don't forget to share the video.